Racing has been going on for years and years and years. You see the race that's going on? Who's the fastest leaf? Wow, those leaves are fast. You talk about humans are fast. See how fast those leaves are moving? Now they're going backwards. Now they're going back the other way. Now they're swirling. So that's speed, people. That's racing. Look at the race. Who's the fastest? The green one, the brown one, the orange one, the yellow one, the one with double colors, triple colors, or the one that's caught up in the fastest gust. Those are some fast leaves. Leaves are falling and they're on the ground and they're racing. This is how I have fun. I see things that y'all have no idea about, that you don't care about, but now you're gonna see it. And they're over there giving a speech over there in the Capitol building about lives matter and all of that good stuff. But I want you to get a picture of the leaves racing. Look at the race. Talk about speed. See, I don't want to see human races. I want to see leaves race. Talk about natural speed. I'm the only one with short sleeves, but I'm gonna put on my long sleeves soon. I'm blocked by this little barrier right here. It's blocking the wind. I know better. I've been up here long enough to stay out of that gust of wind because it doesn't play. It's a whole another level of cold. So I'm being taken care of by this little barrier right here. Good job, barrier. But people, this is how I kick it. As I said, no human being will ever have the greatest time that Mr. Givins had on the home that was built and created for him. And I'm just happy to not be on some stupid planet called Jupiter, Venus, Neptune, and all that. Back to the race. And they're off. Not the human race. Bam. In with the Capitol building.